come and join us today to show you what is new at Busch Gardens Tampa. We're going to check out some of the new shows that we haven't seen and a new ride.
Hey, we're at Busch Gardens Tampa, Florida.
And we're going to do the new ride, Phoenix Rising.
That's right.
Yes.
We're going to try to do a food challenge with the dining plan that they have available here at Busch Gardens.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go.
All right, so we are at Busch Gardens today to ride the new attraction, Phoenix Rising. And Buddy Boy is in a chair because he has stitches. We'll show you how the process is too with transferring and wheelchairs, because he can transfer. He could take a few steps. He just couldn't walk a whole theme park with stitches. Summer Nights is going on too, which has like fireworks and stuff. We did that last year. It was super fun. So we did just upload a video on the all-day dining deal. We showed every place that we ate, every option that you have. So I will link that down below because I'm not going to go through it again. We're going to show everything else we did this trip. Alright, so all of the plushies are buy one, get one half off right now. It's a really good deal. And if you're a pass holder, you get your like 20% off. We can actually use our SeaWorld pass because we are members. Alright, we're headed to Cheetah Hunt. Thank you to Busch Gardens for giving us the tickets and the quick queue. We're gonna go see if Buddy Boy can transfer up here and get a POV. This is the new show. We're gonna try to see it as we head out. 2, 4, and 6. Right in front of the park, next to Cheetah, has the Moroccan Theater. Also, Howl Scream is coming up. We'll be covering that soon. We're excited for that. And hopefully the kids can go with us. Vanessa had a great time last year. So unfortunately, Cheetah Hunt was down for a good part of the afternoon, so we ended up trying to do Cobra's Curse instead, and Montu is down this way. My son can't do Montu yet because it's a 54-inch height requirement, but Cobra's Curse is great for kids since it has only a 42-inch height requirement, and lockers are over here too. Definitely recommend getting a locker for all day if you're going to ride multiple rides. I believe it's around $10 for the entire day. Also, one thing we never experienced before, but you actually go to the side here with the wheelchair if you can transfer, and then it connects to the actual track, so that was really convenient.
Oh yeah!
It's Adventure
This is where it should drop and then come back up real fast. Let's go! You are mine for all.
Is still down. We're gonna go this way to Serengeti Flyer. Go head back that way, and we're gonna see the animal show at 3:30 with the new show. We haven't seen it yet, not here anyway. Rick is gonna hold out on this one because he hates it. Well, 20 minutes, not bad, but we have Express, and Buddy Boy can transfer over and put his shoes in the little cubby. You don't need a locker here. I don't know how Pumpkin is scared of Shikra, but not this. There's Daddy. Woo! My goodness.
Oh my. I heard Pumpkin laughing.
Oh my gosh. You were crazy. Yeah, her hair. Is he?
Rolling that thing around.
Oh look, this one's like under the water.
Yeah, no, I thought he was, but I see it splashed on the other side.
Oh, okay. Let's go towards the Pantopia Theater to see some cute animals. An animal show. Hopefully no rain though. There's the new ride. They just opened. I gotta see if, I think there's one cart. Hopefully it takes quick queue as well. So the Rita's is new here, which is interesting because they actually just had one at SeaWorld open too, so it must be like a new partnership or something. Yeah, it looks good. They got mango and cherry, cotton candy, lemon, sugar-free dragon fruit.
Huh? Emmett is a 19-year-old Eastern Screech Owl.
Wow.
You heard that right, he's 19 years old. Emmett here is a rescue, and over the last 5 decades, Busch Gardens and their sister parks have been able to rescue more than 40,000 animals. Emmett here thinks he's human, and he relies heavily on Uber Eats. So the federal government deemed him non-releasable because he doesn't have the skills he would need to survive in the wild. Flash here is the Florida pine snake, and there's absolutely no reason to have a hissy fit. He is not venomous, and he definitely isn't poisonous. Poison is ingested. You eat it, drink it, or absorb it through your skin before having a reaction. Regardless where snakes are found, the vast majority of them are not venomous, and even fewer are truly poisonous. Howl is a 2-year-old short-beaked echidna. Looking at him, what do you think he's most closely related to? Shout it out.
Porcupine.
Porcupines and hedgehogs, yeah. Female echidnas lay eggs. Get your viewers ready, because here comes the best joke of the show. Female echidnas lay eggs. I'm not echidnaing you. Mel was born, or I should say hatched, right here at Busch Gardens in Tampa Bay, and we are proud to have one of the most successful echidna breeding programs in the entire world.
Oh wow.
Yeah, those feet are specially adapted for digging. Are you sticking your tongue out at me now too? The cute, quirky little creatures they are, they have a huge impact on their world. One of the most remarkable adaptations tortoises have is probably that shell. And it's fused with his spine and rib cage. So just like you can't take off your rib cage, he can't take off his. His shell helps to protect all of his vital organs. It actually has nerve endings in it and can feel the sensation of scratch. Our other tortoise, Flash, absolutely loves the sensation of water on her shell from a sprinkler, sprayer, or hose.
They do have a quick queue for the ride, but since my son's temporarily in the wheelchair, we did go through the ADA ride entry, which is through the gift shop next to the lockers. So one thing I do like about this ride, it gives the kids another opportunity to ride something with only a 42-inch height requirement, just like Cobra's Curse.
Oh, here we go, we're the Phoenix.
Think of the ride. You liked it? It was quick, but it was fun.
Yeah.
No, I thought it was actually a fun
It's
ride.
good. It's good for the kids.
Fun ride for the family.
Yeah, it's good addition.
The twists and turns. You feel like you're soaring like
I like the
like
sound effects too. That was pretty.
Yeah, it had sound effects. It's definitely fun.
All right, let's go check out the Animal Connections because we have a few minutes to kill for the show to start at the ice show. There are a lot of different animal exhibits throughout the park and even behind the scenes ones that you can pay extra for. I would love to do that one day for a sloth encounter or where you feed the flamingos. On the way to the Moroccan Theater to see the new ice skating show, which they have different shows throughout the year. Rhythm of Nature is the new one. They usually have a special one for Christmas, different holidays. I'll put in a few highlights and change the music up because it is copyright.
I like it like la 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 la. I just wow, 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 wow. Oh baby, say it and make it a day that brought a day. I like it like a la 전소원 이룬 날 너의 문자 사탕 같은 말 숨길 수 없는 payday 고소한 coffee yes we go on.
I thought the show was cute. Did you like it, Pumpkin? At least the dancers were really good. Yeah. I couldn't do that. I couldn't do what they're doing. Yeah. But it's definitely good to see her. They're always changing up the shows. So unfortunately, as we just got into the line to get into Cheetah Hunt, the weather and the lightning in the area did shut down all the coasters. And that happens during the summer a lot because Florida weather is unpredictable. It rains a lot of lightning around the area. We filled up our waters at the Coke Freestyle machine. We did get Chick-fil-A, which is part of the meal deal in the video that I did just share. We were actually gonna try to go on Shikra, but again, we had just missed it with the lightning. Vanessa is getting excited to ride it though this time. She's getting a little bit more brave to try it out. So stay tuned for the Hollow Screams this year when it'll be her very first time riding. That is about all we did though, because that's all we had time between the rides, the shows, and the dining deal plan. We still had a good night. I think towards the end though, we were bummed because of the weather, all of that closing, but it is Florida summer. It was still a good day. We had a lot of fun. We got to do a lot. It's just towards the end, the weather ruined it, so.
Earlier, I was like, I wanted to ride on Hollysy.
I know. Well, buddy boy, we can ride it when we go back for Halloween, right? You want to ride on Halloween?
So much then.
And you'll be able to walk, you know, hopefully no more incidents, right, buddy? Okay.
For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.
Since the holidays are coming up, click these two videos next, the top one being Hollow Scream, which is their Halloween event, and the bottom one being Christmas Town. Both holiday events are magical. Definitely recommend visiting if you can to do both.